Hey, what's up everyone, it's artist BBG and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to draw realistic hair. So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using charcoal pencils right here. They're right here. This is the soft pencil. As you know, there are three types of pencil: soft, medium, and hard. You can see the hard. Yep, these are the camelin charcoal pencils. And I'm going to be using my 0.5 pen pencil and a normal eraser, painting brush for blending it, and a white gel pen, of course, for highlights, and even my Tombow Mono Zero eraser for the highlights. Okay, so without further ado, enjoy the process and stick with me. So as you guys can see, I am drawing the outline of the hair by my mechanical pencil. So I'm shading the hair with the charcoal pencil soft, okay? And I am shading it in the direction of the hair as per the reference photo. So in the reference photo, this part of the hair was a little bit less dark, so I'm going to use the hard pencil and also the soft pencil. I'm blending it with a painting brush, so that it looks even, and charcoal pencil should always be blended with the painting brush so that you can further add highlights. For the highlights, I'm going to use my Tombow Mono Zero eraser, my white gel pen, and also the white glass marking pencil. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, and thank you guys so much for 40 subscribers. We have reached this year's goal very soon, so thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out. Bye guys.